Hello. Now you can import Shopify Store into the CRM. You can import contacts, orders, transactions, and pretty much everything, and utilize all of the information using automations and various tools in the CRM. So first of all, you need to navigate to integrations, and you will see an option to connect Shopify. Once you click on connect button, you will see this option, Shopify integration, and where you will need to provide admin API access token and the URL of your store. And you will see option like contact import, order import, transaction import, product import, collection import. You can enable, disable them. If you partially import some of the data and you want to, if you change your mind and try to enable and import all of them, then you need to disconnect it and import all of the data from the start. That's totally it. Once you save it, all of the data will be imported into the products tab, and you can see all of the products and also all the orders and transactions as well. So a very quick update, a very quick and amazing update. So thank you so much.